It's your time to shine.
Hey, paray, kayo naman paray. Paparehas kayo. Yeah. Yeah.
Here we go. Taganas gets the first basket of G-Spot. Fetch it up. Pretzerain for Gray. Long two. Taroy pull up Jay. Look at Aguilar in the inside. Velasco has the ball. Sets it up again. Can't connect this time. Taroy to Valle.
Damo ko ni Macho.
To
Ay, hindi ko.
Taganas. Goes out.
Bigay mo kay
Plays
Macho.
Rain. Velasco has the ball. Tariq fires. No good. Gets it back. Again. Still no good. Again! Yes! Pumasok rin. Out of bounds. Prosecutor basketball. Duatin fires away. Yes, sir. We have a foul, number 4, Valle. That is your first personal foul. First team foul in the first quarter.
Tapos bigay mo kay ano, Matthew.
No good. Valle gets the ball. Aguilar pass to Delmindo. Taroy goes up. Gets the 2.
Hindi ko na alam.
8-7. 1 point lead ng G-Spot. Duatin misses the shot. There comes Taganas with the ball. To the inside, too high, out of bounds. Prosecutor basketball.
Kuya, pagtay mo ta. Si Matthew.
Velasco dribbling the ball.
Saan si Matthew?
Back to Velasco. 14 in the shot clock. Spain. Extra pass to Karig. Fires no. Can't connect. Daroy to the rebound. Here comes G-Spot. To Taganas. Taganas with the ball. Natapikan ng bola. Delmindo gets it back in the middle. Out of bounds. Same ball. 13 in the shot clock. 13 to shoot. Aguilar goes up. No good. Karig to the rebound. To Duatin. Here comes Duatin with the ball to the inside. Ramirez extra pass to Rebar for the finish.
8-9 lamang ang prosecutor.
Taganas dribbling the ball for the G-Spot. Valle to the inside. No, can't connect. Velasco with the ball. Here comes the prosecutors. Velasco coast to coast now. Taganas to the rebound to Daroy. Here comes G-Spot again. Daroy to Delvindo in the inside. Gets the 2 points. Rig has the ball. Nababa ang bola No, prosecutors to Duatin. Bounce pass to Ramirez. Pull up. No, can't connect. Daroy to the rebound. Daroy to Balye. Del Mindo. Pull up. No, can't connect.
10-9 lamang ang
Gets it
Gispa.
back. 10 to shoot. Balye to Daroy. Goes up. No good. Gets it back. Jump ball. Duatin fake. Intercepted by Balye. Here comes Takaras with the ball. Stolen by Molasco. Molasco. Duatin fires. No. Ramirez gets it back. And we have a foul. Number 16. First personal foul. Second team foul. Carig in the inside. Nilabas ang bola kay Molasco. 9 to shoot in the shot clock. Duatin fires. No good. Taganaos. Natatagan pa. And gets it back. Taganas with the ball. Intercept by Molasco. Molasco has the ball. Carig in the inside for the finish. Puts it up. No good. Duatin with the ball. Here comes Duatin. Molasco. Bounce pass. Ramirez. Back to Molasco. Tatapikan. We have a foul. Number 16 again. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Carig in the middle. Remar. No good. Aguilar. Long pass. Del Mindo. Misses the layup. Gets the ball again. Pass to Daroy. Daroy. Pull up. No good. Aguilar gets it back. Balye. Del Mindo. Taganas. From way out. No. Can't connect. Long pass. Intercept by Balye. Here comes G-Spot again. Balye with the ball. One handler. Foul number 16. Duatin. First personal foul. First team foul. Last throw, no good. Ramirez gets the ball. Here comes Prosecutors. Ramirez to the side. Molasco. Here comes Molasco with the ball. Two in the middle. Remar, no good. The follow-up. Connect. Ramirez to the follow.
Sila, kayo. Sila.
Duatin from downtown. Yes, sir.
Lapit na, lapit. Buman.
And now sends the ball dribbling. Pull up. No good. The follow up. Can't connect. Gets it back. Flores sa ilalim. 3-2 Ramirez. Here comes Prosecutors to the inside. Reba for 2. Aguilar with the ball. Dribbling. Nice snatch ang bola. Duatin. Intercept by Taganas. Ballier gets the ball. Dudaroy drives. Drop pass to Flores.
$12-18 lamang ang prosecutor. Hindi ko pa pala na-play yung kagabi.
Good shot. Fake.
Laro kagabi.
Ramirez, no. Too strong. Ballier, 100. It's good. Ramirez with the ball dribbling, and here comes Prosecutors to Remar. 1 minute and 58. No, too strong. Taganas with the ball. Daroy. Pin away shot. It's good. Eighteen to 16. Umabante ang Prosecutor. Velasco fires away. No, too short. Daroy gets the ball. Here comes Ballier. Ballier drives. Napayungan. Velasco stole the ball. And there comes Prosecutors. 1 minute and 15. Out of bounds. G-Spot basketball. Timeout. G-Spot. 1 minute and 11. 18 to 16. Abante ang Prosecutor the second. And we're now back to the ball game. G-Spot basketball. Stolen. Ramirez to Velasco. Drives. No. Too high. Taganas with the ball for the G-Spot. He drives. Can't connect. Remar to the rebound. Pass to Velasco. Here comes Prosecutors. Velasco dribbling. Duatin. Pinalipad ang bola. No good. Gets it back. Duatin again in the side. Long toe. 28 seconds. Daroy drives. He got fouled. Number 37. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Zos. Ito ni.
basket the first one.
Di ka. Adamat to go, Jide.
Last throw. No good. Velasco with the ball. 22 seconds. Ramirez to Remar. Duatin fake. Duatin bounce pass. Ramirez fake. Fires. Can't connect. 12 seconds left. 9 seconds. Out of bounds. 6 seconds left. 6.7.
Just, sobra.
7. Ada magbag.
5. Duatin fires away. Yes, sir. Duatin knocks it down for 3 points.
17-23. Lamang ang prosecutor. Grabe si Datin. Papaulan ng tres.
And we're now with the second quarter. Back to the ball game. 23-17. Abante ang Prosecutors.
Hey, ready?
Pico drives, gets the toe.
19-23 lamang ang prosecutor.
Duatin from downtown. Yes, sir. Duatin again knocks it down in the 3-point area. Velasco with the ball. 10 to shoot in the shot clock. Duatin again. No, can't connect this time. But gets it back. Remar sa ilalim. Tawag dito ng foul si Rep. Foul number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. Stolen. Pico gets it back. Ramirez pull up in the middle. Can't connect. Pico to the rebound. Here comes G-Spot. Intercept by Mulasco. And there comes Prosecutors again. Mulasco drives in the middle. Lazy Rain.
28-19. Tay, ganda na naman ng view.
Kaya nga ganda oh.
Taganas has the ball.
Nakita mo yung post ko?
Apo.
Gets it up. No, too short. Velasco to the rebound. Gets it back. Taroy misses.
Updated ako ate.
Oo.
Here comes Velasco.
Hindi mo pa napanood yung naka-play ngayon.
Velasco drives again and throws it down for
Pagkabi
two.
ate, pagkabi ako nanood ko agad ako.
Meron din sa YouTube.
Taroy with the ball. Pinipilit. No.
TikTok din meron.
Trevor to the
Anong pangalan
rebound.
po sa
Duatin with the ball.
Parehas lang.
Triple now.
Profile. Ganun lang din po yung profile.
Duatin. Fake. Intercept. Flores finds Daroy. Basket count. Foul and one.
Nakapalo ako si...
Foul number one.
Nakapalo ako ba?
First personal foul. First team foul.
Kaya ako nagpalo. Parang dated ako sa mukha ko. Katapa ako sa iyo. Hugit lang mo. Parang...
Latin in the corner. No, can't connect.
Bye.
Oo, parang.
Atanasio.
Atanasio, pinipilit. No good. Taganaos gets the ball.
Discarte para sa pamilya. Ang ganaso, tuloy na dos. Pau.
We have a foul again. Number 33.
Just kumigil ka.
Second.
So,
Ay, first personal
Bagtit na
foul.
tayo.
Second team foul.
Pre, nakakita ka. Agila. Gini, agila.
Basket, the first one.
Dami boy. Gini, turo mo lang. Agila. Gini, dagdagay. Gini.
Last throw. Basket again.
Ang gawin daw. Gini.
30-23. Gets it up. No. Can't connect. Daroy to the rebound.
Agila. Tukulon.
Taganaos with the ball to Daroy. Gets it up. No good. Gets it back. Drop pass. Aguilar goes up. No. Can't connect. Flores gets it back. Wala pa rin. And gets it back. Gets it right.
Kadaima. Basit pa, boy. Kan.
Aba sa libang kalabangan ng prosecutors.
Mandaya ka pa yan.
Velasco. Beyond the arc. No. Too short. Pico to Taganas. Velasco gets the ball again. To Atanasio. Atanasio. To Remar in the middle. Can't connect. Aguilar to Taganas. Here comes G-Spot.
Ibon.
Taganas with the ball. Finds Pico in the inside. No. Gets it back and gets it in. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng prosecutors. Ramirez with the ball. Exactly 5 minutes in the second. Duatin fires away! Yes, sir!
Yes, sir.
grabe. Susudutin.
Oh, babalong na eh. Triple.
Stolen by Ramirez. Long pass.
Oh,
Duatin again with the ball. Atanasio. He drives. Can't connect. Ramirez.
Ramirez.
Duatin with the ball. Velasco. Extra pass. To Atanasio. Sa ilalim. Kumakamada sa ilalim.
Sa ilalim. Kinaram.
35-27.
35 to 27.
Mabante pa rin ng prosecutors.
Prosecutors.
Aguilar goes up. Daroy to the rebound. Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin.
Remar to Ramirez.
Kamot ang nasa.
Pull up in the middle. Can't connect. Gets it back. Wala pa rin. Ramirez. Gets the two. Timeout. G-Spot. (37-27). Abante ang prosecutor this second. And we're now back to the action. 37-27. Sampung abante ng prosecutors.
Busing, ma'am.
3 minutes and 46 in the second quarter. There comes G-Spot. Backcourt violation.
Oy, bula ko ah.
Kam. Kam.
Hindi na ka.
Ayaw mo?
Lapitan mo, kuhain mo na, kuhain mo na.
Diba?
Atanasio, no good. Remar to the rebound. Can't connect again. Aguilar to Taganas. Taganas with the ball.
Agnas with the ball.
Traveling violation.
Pag ano pala, pag on the spot ka nanonood ng live, malinaw. Pero pag re-replay mo na, malabo na.
Ramirez with the ball to Duatin. Velasco for Correa. No good. Taganas gets the ball. Here comes G-Spot. Taganas drives. No, can't connect. Daroy to the rebound. In the score for 2.
Kaya just sneak long.
Diyos, ano ba yan? Diyos.
Velasco with the ball. Duatin lets it fly. No, misses this time. Dilmindo gets the ball.
Tumalon
Pass to
na.
Aguilar. Valle. Pinabuang pasa. Velasco with the ball. Stolen by Dilmindo.
Ilaw.
2 minutes and 25.
Kiss.
Valle.
Ilaw.
Dilmindo, one handler.
Kiss, kiss. Baba.
Velasco dribble to Remar. Drives, no.
Bunga
This is the layup.
talaga.
Valle with the ball. Valle, ups. Traveling violation.
Hindi, wala na. Yun, balik. Yun lang.
Atanasio, what a move!
Ang bili mo.
Ay, guys.
Dilmindo.
Ako din.
We
Si
have
ano?
a foul. Number 33.
Tanong mo kay ano.
Second personal foul.
Gusto mo ka?
So, listening, guys.
Third team foul.
Ako din sa.
Valle with the ball. Intercepted. Gets it back. Aguilar, pull up, no. Daroy in the inside. Velasco, Duatin, pinalipad ang bola! Yes, sir! Aguilar with the ball. Daroy misses. Gets it back. Daroy misses again. 44 seconds left.
Dito, dito. Baba, push ka, walang bula. Okay.
Duatin, pinalipad ang bola. Can't connect this time. Duatin. No good. Di ba ka-shoot sa malapit, pero sa malayo, pasok.
Nalalata.
O yan, sa malayo. Sa malayo ka tumira.
Ay,
Can't connect. 15 seconds. Pinalipad ang bola. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Sa malayo ka tumira. That's the end of the
35-45.
second.
10 ang lamang ng prosecutor. End of second quarter.